Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the lecture number 4 of chapter 7 electrochemistry. And today's topic is comparison of electrochemical cells and uses of electrolytic cell. So let's start. First of all, we will recap the lecture number 3. In lecture 3 we have discussed about the galvanic cell, its construction and its working in detail. Here we are going to compare the electrolytic and galvanic cells. In galvanic cells, spontaneous redox reactions convert the chemical energy to an electrical energy. And in electrolytic case, the non-spontaneous redox reactions convert the electric energy to a chemical energy. It means in galvanic cell, reaction will take place itself because of the difference in the electrode potentials of the anode and cathode, and they will convert the chemicals which are present in the form of electrolyte into the electrical energy. And in case of electrolytic cell, the reaction will not start itself. We have to provide some energy, that is electrical energy, which will be converted into the chemicals. And in case of galvanic cell, the electrical energy is generated by the redox reactions, mean the oxidation and reduction reactions will take place at anode and cathode, and as a result of those reactions electric energy will produced. And in case of electrolytic cell, the electrical energy brings about the chemical reaction with the help of an external source. We have to provide some battery to the cell for providing electricity. You can compare both of the cells with the help of these given diagrams as well. In both of the cells, galvanic and electrolytic cells, the cathode is a negative electrode and anode is a positive electrode. Oxidation will take place at anode and reduction will take place at cathode. But in case of galvanic cell, the cathode is a negative electrode, but it becomes positively charged electrode because of the accumulation of the positive charges in its compartment. And the anode is a positive, but it will gain negative charge because of the accumulation of the negative charges, that is the negative electrons which are generated by the atoms of the anode. In case of galvanic cells, we have two compartments. One is anode compartment where oxidation occurs, and the other is the cathode compartment where the reduction occurs. And these two compartments are connected with the help of salt bridge. And in case of electrolytic cell, there is only single container which contains electrolyte as well as both of the electrodes, that is anode and cathode, and these both are connected with a battery source. The application of galvanic cells lies in batteries. Most of the batteries are galvanic in nature, and the examples of electrolytic cell are purification of impure copper and electroplating, etc. From the above differences between the galvanic cell and electrolytic cell, we can conclude that a galvanic cell produces electric current with the help of a chemical reaction that occurs spontaneously in it, while in electrolytic cell, chemical reactions takes place with the help of electric current from an external source. Now we are going to discuss some uses of electrolytic cell. So the first one is down cell, which is the application of electrolytic cell, and in down cell we prepare chlorine gas and sodium metal. The second one is the Nelson cell, which is used for the commercial preparation of sodium hydroxide. It also produces chlorine and hydrogen gas as byproduct. Electrolytic cells are also used for the commercial preparation of calcium and magnesium metals. It is used to produce aluminum metal commercially. It is used for the purification of copper metal. It is used to electroplate the metals such as tin, silver, nickel, etc. on the steel. It is also used to prepare the anodized aluminum. Anodized aluminum can absorb dyes. Here some questions related to the topic are given. You have to write and learn the answers of these questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.